Here at Disciplr, we're always thinking about how to make these tools even better for you and more customizable to help you take advantage of everything that Disciplr has to offer. Today, we've got a new feature that's very simple in nature, but is going to help you organize things much, much better. And you can probably already see it here from the Spaces view that there's a little icon that hasn't been there before. It's a little directional tool that probably makes intuitive sense to you. Now you can organize your spaces however you'd like. And with my simple 3 spaces option here, it's going to be as simple as taking it and dragging it. You make sure that you click it on that icon and then put it wherever you like. Especially if you have unlimited spaces, maybe several different campuses that are using Disciplr at your church, organizing is a big deal. And within your spaces, you're actually going to be able to use this tool as well. Let's go ahead and look at my preteen space here. You may see that I've got a few curricula in there. So here's an example of a space that has a lot of curriculum, and trust me, I'm letting some of you off easy. I've seen some of your spaces. There's a lot of stuff that you can put in here. You've got unlimited curriculum, no matter which plan you have, in each of your spaces. And so in this one, it's become quite a bit crowded. And maybe I still need access to all of this curriculum in here. I just want to organize it better. Well, we've got this icon again, so I can actually choose the curriculum that we're using this weekend, maybe put it front and center. This Worthy series we may have done a bit earlier, I want to hold on to it, but I can put it down here instead, and everything else is going to autocorrect based off that. You'll also see these checkboxes, which will give you some great organizational tools, as well as these buttons up at the top that are going to allow you to do new things. So you'll see move, copy, and delete. In order to use these, you need to select the curriculums that you want to do that action with. Move is going to allow you to move any curriculum that you selected to any of your other spaces. You just click the ones you want and then move curriculum. It will take it from this space and put it in the other. Copy is exactly the same, except it's going to keep it in this space as well as move it to that new space as well. And then delete is simply going to delete. But now you can do several of them at once. This is a very simple tool that we know is going to save you time and allow you to organize your ministry better than ever.